your PHS News Today for Monday, January 14th. And now it is time for our daily trivia contest. Students and teachers can email their answer to paleymedia@paley.k12.in.us. The first person to get the answer right will be put in a drawing for a prize. Today's daily puzzle is Music Monday. We will play you a song and you have to tell us the title and author. Here's the song.
Most heaven, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountains, Shenandoah River.
Already thinking about lunch? Check out the cafeteria is serving up today. And now to call on with your Ram Sports Report.
Thank you, Joni. On Saturday, JV and varsity basketball both defeated Eastern Pekin. The makeup date for the boys basketball game will be January 22nd. Boys freshman basketball is hosting Northeast Harrison at 6. Boys junior high basketball is headed to Athletic, also starting at 6. Back to you, Joni.
And now to Ian Wilder with your weather report.
Thank you. So as we go through your day, there is no chance of rain or snow, but as we head to the weekend, we could see some snow, but as we go through it, there's low to no chance. For your weather today, we have a high of 36 and a low of 25. Heading through your week on Tuesday, we have a high of 39 and a low of 32, and in the middle of the week on Wednesday, a high of 45 and a low of 36. Back to you.
Congratulations to Charlie Meredith for winning today's trivia question. The answer was Country Roads Take Me Home by John Denver. Stay tuned for more trivia tomorrow. I'm Joni, and that's your PHS News Today. Have a Joni-tastic day.